Hello, UIS fam! Welcome to the second episode of L&D Confessions, Paano Kaya? Your go-to podcast for your paano questions about work, life, challenges, and growth. Kalain mo yon, second episode na tayo. I'm Ray, your resident host, and I would like to introduce a very, very, very special guest, the gorgeous, the lovely, L&D's very own Associate Manager, Miss L.
Hoy, grabe naman sa
Woo!
introduction. Gorgeous at lovely. Ako lang to, Ray, ha? pero thank you so much for that beautiful intro. So, hi everyone. Hope you are all doing great. So, I'll be joining today's episode kasi si Dets, he's currently working on a top secret mission. Ah,
Oh!
Ano kaya yung top secret mission na yan? Ako guys, abangan nyo yan kasi may niluluto si Sir Dets.
totoo, something is brewing, di ba? Sabi mo yun sa isa sa mga training mo. Pero huwag kayo masyado mag-alala ha. Babalik pa din naman si Dets kasi baka ma-miss nyo naman siya agad, no? So, babalik pa din siya.
Kaya nga, lalo na po dun sa mga nakasubaybay lagi for Sir Dets. Ayan. Pero for
Mhm.
today's episode, guys, kami lang muna ni Miss L. Huwag kayong mag-alala
True.
dahil si,
Ang arte.
si Dets, he's with us in spirit. Ayan. May space po siya dito para sa amin.
Oo, Dets, nandito ka pa din sa aming puso, ha? And speaking of space, our paano kaya depot boxes are still in our office spaces. So, UAS fam, we would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for sending in your thoughts. Grabe, ang mga questions, no? At ang mga paano kaya questions na nakuha namin sa inyo. Pero not only your paano kaya questions, but there's also a lot of new ideas that we've learned, no, from everyone in the
Mm.
office. So the box and the forum are still up, so feel free to drop in whenever you like, lalo na dun sa mga moments na sobra na yung emotions nyo. So malalapitan nyo pa din kami. At kung gusto nyo ng kausap, isulat nyo lang yan sa depot boxes namin.
Totoo. Ilabas nyo na yung mga hinaing nyo, guys. Lagay nyo lang sa sticky note, tapos i-drop nyo dun sa box. Pero, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much, everyone. Binasa namin lahat ng sinend nyo. Wala kaming pinalampas. At marami pa rin talagang gustong pag-usapan ang career growth at promotion, which is interesting kasi yun yung first episode namin or yun yung kinover natin for the first episode. Pero for today, mas hihimayin natin yung usapin. Hihimayin. So, how to take the first step towards growth. Paano kaya ang first step? Building momentum toward growth. Kasi 'di ba miss, parang the hardest part of any journey is always the beginning.
Uy, alam mo, I agree with that, Ray. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, wow, ang tanda sa lahat ng pinagdaanan. Pero, the hardest part talaga of the journey is always the beginning. Kasi, lahat
Mm,
tayo dumadaan dun sa moment na we want to take the first step, to take the leap. Pero, sobrang natatakot tayo dun sa consequences. Kaya,
mm.
for today's episode, we are going to chat about what's hindering you from taking the first step. So, how do you know when you are ready? What does growth and success look like for you? And ano ba yung mga steps na kailangan mong i-take?
Alam mo Miss L, marami sa atin na natakot na magsimula kasi iniisip agad natin yung worst case scenario.
Exactly. Minsan, iniisip natin na baka mag-fail tayo agad. Yun, automatic
Mm,
yun sa brain natin. Kung ikaw din, ganun, Ray, no? Natatakot tayo
mm.
na baka hindi mag-workout o kaya nag-worry tayo sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Nag-hesitate tayo because it's new. So, it's unknown. Pero, once ma-overcome natin yon, madali na lang for us to take the next steps and move forward.
Totoo. Nakakatakot po kasi talaga if it's something na outside of your comfort zone or it's completely new to you. Kasi 'di ba, the unknown is so scary, so scary. Pero alam niyo po yung mas nakakatakot, yung hindi mo man lang sinubukan, like you didn't even try. Kasi 'di ba may kasabihan din tayo na you if you did not try, you failed agad.
Oof!
Oh!
Spot on! Taray ni Ray, ha? Kaya, ang tanong, what is stopping you from achieving your dream? From
Hmm.
reaching your full potential? So, natatakot ka ba mag-fail or natatakot ka na magmukha kang beginner?
Totoo. Very valid. Very valid yung mga ganitong feelings kasi normal lang na makaramdam tayo ng takot. Pero hindi siya dapat na maging rason or pwedeng maging rason para hindi natin i-try or ma-reach yung full potential natin.
Yes, and fear is just, your brain's way of telling you that you are stepping out of your comfort zone. And stepping out of your comfort zone, it's actually a good thing, di ba, Ray? Do you agree with that?
Yes, miss. Stepping out of our comfort zone is a good thing. Kasi sometimes, when we're too comfortable, wala nang growth or parang di na tayo na-challenge. So, mas scary ngayon or scary din yun na hindi na tayo na-challenge or wala nang learning na nagaganap. Pero, yung big question or yung next question ko dyan, miss, is when do you take the leap, diba? How do you know
Mm.
you're ready to do so?
Yes, and alam mo, Ray, that's actually a good question.
Mm.
And based on experience, ang masasagot ko dyan is, you won't. Kasi wala
Mm.
talagang perfect timing. You just need to be ready enough para masimulan mo yung sarili mong journey.
Totoo. Parang you'll never know if it's the right move or if it's the right time. And there's only one way to know, and that is to go for it. And the best way to prepare or the best way to be able to come through that challenge is for you to step out of the voices or just don't listen to the not so positive noises in your head. Kasi minsan tayo rin yung humihila sa sarili natin pababa. Like, yung mga sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na, naku, parang hindi ko kaya yan, or hindi ako magaling dyan, or wala akong
Yes.
experience yan. I feel like personally, I'm also a victim of this. Or sometimes, ako rin yung, I'm very, po kasi miss, critical of myself. And so sometimes, minsan, napapangunahan ako ng doubts, ng fears. Yung kahit na alam mo namang kaya mo, pero yun,
Mhm.
napapangunahan ka ng mga doubts and fears mo. So, ayun. Pero, ang puwede nating gawin diyan or ang puwede nating sabihin sa sarili natin na, siguro hindi ko pa alam ngayon, pero matututunan ko rin siya along the way as long as
Mhm.
parang I'm giving my full heart to it.
Exactly, exactly. On point ka na naman dyan, Ray, no? So, it's really all about reframing your mindset. So, instead of saying, what if I fail? Why not say, what if I succeed?
Wow, grabe po yung reframing ng
Di
mindset na yun.
ba?
May pa-light bulb moment ako do'n, ite-take note ko 'yan. Kaya guys, kung may opportunity na nandiyan na sa harap niyo, just grab it, kasi minsan hindi mo alam kung handa ka na hangga't di mo talaga susubukan or ita-try.
Yes. And now, before you take the leap, isang bagay din na sobrang importante is, dapat alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong makuha.
Totoo. Kasi growth looks so different for everyone na hindi porket nag-level up ang iba in a certain way, dapat ganun ka rin.
Parang sa panahon ngayon kasi hindi mo maiiwasan, 'no? Parang comparison is really there and
Mm.
maiinggit at maiinggit ka kapag yung people that surrounds you is already on a different level compared to you. Pero ang importante kasi do'n is you need to ask yourself, do you want the same things that's happening to the people around you? Ano ba yung definition mo ng success? When you say success, does it mean promotion? Does it mean career switch, or it can be as simple as learning a new skill?
Totoo. Sabi nga nila 'di ba miss, comparison kills joy. Wow, tama ba
Yeah.
yun? Basta somewhere along those lines. Ayan, pero totoo po yun na kapag clear sa'yo yung goal mo, mas madali nang makahanap ng tamang opportunities that will support your growth.
Yes, and isa pang mahalagang step, I think, Ray, is kailangan mo talagang kilalanin yung sarili mo. Kasi,
Hmm.
if I were to ask you right now, Ray, do you know yourself?
Oh.
Oh no!
Sige,
Um,
you don't need to
I feel
answer.
like na on the spot. I
Do
feel
you
like
know
to a certain
yourself?
to a certain extent, yes, but I feel like there's still a lot of things that I don't know about myself, especially if marami kang na-experience na changes or major transitions in your life na parang, ay,
Mhm.
kilala ko na yung sarili ko, tas biglang after ng certain event, ay, parang di ko pa yata kilala yung sarili ko. So I feel like it's a continuous process of like, I feel like life is a continuous process of getting to know yourself. Huy!
Pero that is so true, no? Kaya,
Mm.
isipin mo, even to our listeners, if you were asked that question, do you know yourself? Parang try to think about that question. Kasi isa to sa
Mm.
pinakamahalagang step na pag-uusapan natin. Dapat kilala mo yung sarili mo. So ano ba yung strengths mo? Ano ba yung areas mo for improvement? Because knowing your strengths helps you play with them. Pero knowing your weakness would help you improve.
Oh, 'di ba? So, know yourself, guys. So, stop niyo muna tong podcast, i-pause niyo muna, tapos kilalanin niyo muna yung sarili niyo. Pero, wag niyong titingnan na yung weaknesses, it's a roadblock for your success. Instead, isipin niyo siya as opportunities for growth or as something to improve upon.
Correct. And may nabasa nga ako in one of the books that I've read before. I
Mm.
just forgot kung ano yung title. So please, listeners, don't judge me. Pero sabi sa book is, you don't learn from winning. You learn from
Mm,
losing. 'Di ba? Kasi every
totoo.
time we lose, it's an area that we know na, ay, kailangan ko pang i-improve to. Ay, I should have done this and that. So, na-identify mo yung mga anong kailangan mong gawin and na ano yung kailangan mo i-improve sa sarili mo to get to the position that you want, right?
Mm, yes,
And
agree.
of course, for our final and most important tip, just go for it. Yun lang yun, Ray. Simple as that. Just go for it.
Yan, go for it na guys. Iwan ng trabaho. Joke lang po yun. Kasi,
Sarado nyo na yung
mis-
mga ano nyo. De,
laptop
joke
nyo,
lang.
go for it. Joke lang po. Pero minsan kasi masyado nating iniisip or we're too overwhelmed with the big leap or the big change na nakakalimutan natin. It's actually just the small steps every day that lead to big changes. Like, ask yourself too, like, what can I do now? What small step or small task can I do now that will lead me to achieving this goal of mine, that will lead me to achieving this version of myself. So think about that. Like, ano yung small steps that you can do daily for you to achieve that big goal in mind?
Yes. So, grabe yung English ni Ray, ha? Na-pressure akong very light. Pero, I agree on that, Ray. Kasi too often, we convince ourselves that, massive success requires massive action. Pero,
Mm,
what we don't know is the little difference that we do on any given day, it has that impact that you would deliver over months and years. It can be
mm,
enormous. So, kahit small step lang yan, like taking an online course, volunteering for a project, or even networking with the people in your industry. Lahat yan, cumulative effort.
true. Paano mo, spell niyo po muna yung enormous, miss? Paano po yung
Ay, oh
spell
my
ng
gosh.
enormous?
Goodbye. Thank you for listening. Joke lang.
Tapos na po ang podcast. Pero for you, miss, are you currently or meron po ba kayong small steps na ginagawa for your big goal?
Wow, small steps. Well, yes, ako, ako personally, being in our department, I really do believe in
Mm,
continuous learning. I think even if you are already in a position, a higher position that you are in, hindi talaga dapat nawawala yung pag-aaral mo sa iba't ibang bagay. It can be learning something about, project management or learning about the policies of HR or even just learning about the psychology of people. Kasi even with
mm,
those little things that you've learned, hindi mo napapansin, nagagamit mo siya on your day-to-day basis. So it's
mm.
really better for you to continue to learn kasi sobrang fast-paced ng mundo natin. Hindi mo alam na kakailanganin mo pala yung mga nalalaman mo ngayon in the future. So
Totoo.
that's my preparation, no, Ray? Every morning, every lunch, every pag-uwi, I spend 5 minutes to 10 minutes a day learning something new.
Wow, that's so
Ah!
great. Ayan guys, parang naging L&D masterclass na to ah.
O,
Thank you
di
po, Miss.
ba?
'Di ba? Parang pong naging L&D masterclass na to dahil si Miss ang ating guest for today's episode. Pero going back nga, 'di ba? Parang before you even know it, na these small steps that you took or you're currently taking, hindi mo ma hindi mo mamamalayan la. Dito na pala ako or naabot ko na or nasa ibang level ka na pala.
Yes. Kaya kung may gusto kang simulan, gawin mo na ngayon. Now na. Now na,
Now na.
Ray. Kasi
Okay, alis na po ako.
remember,
Uwi na ako.
kanina ba natin tinatapos tong podcast na to? Pero remember, going back, remember that actions really beats hesitation every single time.
Alright, so quick recap muna tayo of our usapan. Usapan! Very corny naman yarn.
Ayan. So first, balikan natin. Don't let fears and doubts stop you. So lagi niyong tatandaan na normal lang yan. Hindi mo dapat gawing excuse.
Totoo. Second, just take the leap. The first step, kasi sa ika nga ni Miss, there's no such thing as a perfect timing. So just do it and just start.
And third, be clear on what career growth means for you.
Yes, define mo muna what growth, what success is for you. And fourth, know yourself. Ayan, 'di ba? Meron tayong takeaway question na kilala mo ba talaga ang sarili mo, or do you know yourself? Do you know your strengths, your areas for improvement? Saan ka ba magaling? Ano pa ba yung mga pwede mong i-improve?
Yes. And finally, ayan, drum rolls. Dugod-dugod-dugod.
Dadadun.
Ang pangit ng ano natin. Pero finally, our last tip is just go for it. Okay? Small steps would really lead to big things.
And that's a wrap. Diyan na nagtatapos ang episode natin for today. Grabe, sobrang nabitin na naman ako. Pero sana nakatulong tong discussion natin para ma-inspire kayong simulan ang inyong first step toward growth.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our name is L&D Confessions. Paano kaya?
Yes, subscribe na kayo guys. And if meron kayong mga topics na gustong pag-usapan, just send them in our online sa MS Farms and on-site depot boxes, both in Pasig and Pampanga.
And remember, your first step might be scary, but your future self will thank you for it.
This has been Ray.
And Elle.
And this is L&D Confessions. Paano kaya? See you in the next episode.
Keep growing, UAS fam. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.